3-day in-person JavaScript bootcamp. This event is designed for anybody that's thinking about changing their career, becoming a software developer. You're either a beginner right now, or you keep getting stuck in tutorial hell and not being able to make progress. This is the in-person event, workshop, bootcamp for you. This is going to be an absolutely mind-blowing experience. You're gonna learn HTML, CSS, you're gonna learn JavaScript, you're even gonna learn React. We're gonna build projects, we're gonna build a portfolio. We're gonna put these projects on those portfolios. We're also gonna give you interview tips, how to get your dream job, and the opportunity for development is just insane. And JavaScript and React developers are making $100,000 a year, if not more. So if all of those things sound exciting to you, and the idea of a 3-day intense bootcamp in person excites you, I mean, this is post-pandemic, so we can actually do these in person now. And that's why I'm so excited, because never before has this been done at Clever Programmer. And we have a huge Clever Programmer gang. You guys are absolutely unbelievable. So we thought, hey, how about let's bring everybody in and let's do a live in-person event with 100 to 200 people. How insane is that going to be? So if this is something that's exciting to you and you want to sign up for it, click the button below, sign up for this event. We're going to give you more details as we find out. Make sure that if you're in a different state, you can fly in. If you're already in LA, then you're good to go. You just have to block out 3 days. It's going to be on Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. And each day is going to be about 8 to 10 hours long or more. We're going to run probably between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Knowing us, probably for longer. And we're going to help you master skills. We're going to show you exactly your opportunity to become a software developer, a web developer, even if you're a complete beginner right now. We're going to give you everything at this event, okay? It's going to be mind-blowing, unbelievable experience. The community absolutely amazing. The instructors are world-class that have interviewed with companies like Palantir, Microsoft, to Squarespace, Twitter, all of that. You're going to have a developer that's worked for Jeff Bezos' company developing rockets, okay? So you're going to be in great hands with the best JavaScript and React instructors on planet Earth. And we're going to show you exactly the tools that you need to succeed and become a software developer. 3-day bootcamp, JavaScript for complete beginners who are looking to change their career to software development or web development, happening in Los Angeles. So don't miss out. Click the button below, sign up right now before the spots are gone, and we're going to see you there. Peace.
Go dummy, go beast.